Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss the important characteristic and life cycle of Trichomonas vaginalis. So make sure to watch all this video so you don't miss any important information. By the way, I am Charissa Casana, a student nurse of St. John Paul II College of Davao. And now, let's get learning. Trichomonas vaginalis. This parasite is a pear-shaped organism with a central nucleus. It has four anterior flagella and an undulating membrane. It exists only in trophozoite form, ineffective and photogenic. Geographic distribution. It is worldwide, higher prevalence among persons with multiple sexual partners or other venereal diseases. There were an estimated 156 million new cases of T. vaginalis infection among people aged 15 to 49 years old in 2020 globally, 73.7 million in females, while 72.6 million in male. When you're infected of T. vaginalis and you're a female, it resides in your lower genital tract, the vagina, cervix, urethra or bladder, and in men, urethra, semen, or prostate. The life cycle of T. vaginalis. T. vaginalis reside in the female lower genital tract and the male urethra and prostate, where it replicates by binary fission. The parasite does not appear to have a cyst form, and does not survive well in the external environment. T. vaginalis is transmitted among humans, its only known host, primarily by sexual intercourse. Phytogenesis of T. vaginalis. T. vaginalis it is a protozoa, which means single-celled organism. As what I've said earlier, humans are the only host. If T. vaginalis present in vaginal secretions of females and urethral secretions of males, there are transmissions occurs via sexual intercourse. T. vaginalis damage epithelial cells via contact with cells and release of cytotoxic chemicals. It will increase your vaginal pH and it will possible vertical transmission to your newborns or to the newborn. T. vaginalis causes disease called trichomoniasis. Infection in men, usually asymptomatic, and men serve as reservoir for infection in women. Infection in women, also asymptomatic, some women may present with scant, watery vaginal discharge. Infection in infants occurs as the infant passes through the infected birth canal of the mother during the vaginal delivery. Signs and symptoms of trichomoniasis in women. First is smelling thin vaginal discharge, pain, itching and burning sensation in vagina, burning during urination, lower abdominal pain, and pain during sex. In men, itching or irritation inside the penis, burning after peeing or ejaculating, and discharge from the penis. Diagnostic and test. First is history and physical exam, nucleic acid amplification test or PCRs, molecular test, and whiff test. So the treatment of trichomoniasis is the medication is metronidazole and may be self-limiting in males but still important to treat. It is important to treat both partners simultaneously to prevent ping pong effect. If untreated, it will lead complications. Prevention and control. First is use condoms, practice safe sex, health and sex educations are important, maintenance of the acidic pH of the vagina.